Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
I want to talk about a pricing technique you can implement in your services. So this is called the popcorn pricing technique, and you might have been a victim of something like this when you went to the cinema. So what this is the inclusion of a decoy product, in this case a popcorn bucket, in the middle of these two. And let me explain. So studies have shown that with only 2 choices, customers most often default to the less expensive option. So if there are only these 2, the $3 one small and the $7 one large, customers would default and buy this one right here because this one seems too expensive. However, when a medium-sized option, this one right here, is priced just under the large one, so just under this is 50 cents different, it actually makes the large size appear more attractive because it's of greater value. And this is the higher perceived value we talked a ton about. We've talked a ton about perceived value. We have a video just on perceived value. But again, what happens is that now, all of a sudden, this one doesn't seem as expensive because we have this decoy one priced just under. So I want you to try and implement this pricing and use this technique in your services. In the case of your services, of course, because they're not products, you need to be clever on what you offer in each package, because ideally it shouldn't be just more quantity of the same service. In this case, it's more quantity of the same product because you're selling popcorn. But if you were to, for example, be selling a logo, you could sell 2 logos, but it wouldn't make much sense because, say, for example, you were selling 1 logo for $3, you'd sell 2 logos for 6, not 6.5, and you'd sell 3 logos for 9. So this doesn't make much sense. So what you can do is offer logos plus something else. So a logo plus a branding consultation or something like that. Basically what you want to do is get people from here to here. So get people that were previously buying a $3 service, and that now, because you've inserted here a decoy service, which is almost the same price as the most expensive one you have, because you've included this decoy service here, people won't even consider the small one or the lower priced one, and will be more inclined to buy the larger one because the perceived value and the value on this one is much, much higher. So try and implement something like this in your services, because this works. This is done in cinemas and in other industries across the world, and this works, having this decoy price right here in the middle. So try and implement this, try and do it, and let me know how it went. Let me know if you had any success. And again, if you have any questions, make sure to join me in the Facebook group. That's facebook.com/groups/marketplace freelancer, and I'll see you on the next one.